Last lecture we created this basic structural model in Revit. Now we will see how to draw section cut in Revit. For drawing a section cut in Revit you have to go to the plan view. Right now in plan view we are having nothing visible, so we can see by adjusting the view range. If still nothing is visible, then it means that your phase is improper selected. Your elements are in project completion phase and the view phase selected must be other than the project completion phase. So you have to select the proper phase for viewing. Click on project completion phase and apply. Now you can see the model as we can see in 3D view. Let's see, I have to draw a section cut that is parallel to grid 3, 4 or horizontal grids you can say. So I'll click on section cut option and then select the section extent. The importance of section extent will be explained in moments. Now select the section line and click on go to view. You have to select define option in order to see the hatch properly and click on shaded to see the shades of the material assigned to the structure. You can also reduce the section extent. If you click on extend section, now you can see the columns behind as well. Now if you contract the section back again, you will only see the cutting line or the elements that are near to the section cut line. For instance, you accidentally close the section, then you can always click on the section line to open the section or go to project browser and click on section 1. From here you can also open the section and you can also rename the section for your accessibility. You can also change the scale of the view in the section. 1/8 is quite larger scale, so select half inch scale. That seems reasonably okay. Let's say I have to see the whole frame in the section. So I click on the section and extend it to bottom. I have to see till bottom of the footing. So I go to the plan view and extend the section. So now I can see where the columns are coming and to the bottom of footing. That is how we define a complete section in Revit.